Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Blender to render scenes for compositing in After Effects step by step clearly. To update Blender for rendering scenes meant for compositing in After Effects, first, open your Blender application. Check for any updates by navigating to the Blender website. Download the latest version of Blender if needed. After the installation, launch Blender. Open your project file that you wish to update. Ensure that your render settings are configured correctly. Go to the Output Properties tab in the Properties panel. Set the output resolution to match your After Effects composition. Change the file format to a suitable one for After Effects, like PNG or TIFF. If using image sequences, ensure the output path is correctly set. Next, adjust the frame range in the Output Properties tab. This defines which frames will be rendered for compositing. Now, head to the Render Properties tab. Set the render engine to your preferred choice, such as Cycles or Eevee. Confirm your material and lighting settings are correct. Once all settings are in place, click on the Render menu at the top. Select Render Animation to start the rendering process. Wait for Blender to finish rendering the frames. Once complete, check the Output folder for your rendered files. Open After Effects to import your rendered files. Select File, and then Import. Choose the folder where your rendered images are stored. Import the sequence by selecting the first image and checking the Import as Sequence option. After importing, drag the sequence to your timeline. Now your Blender render is ready for further compositing in After Effects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.